Why I can't see my latest videos or live streams in YT Studio. Hello guys, there is a problem in YouTube that if you upload any content on your YouTube channel, it is not showing in YouTube Studio to many content creators. Some people are curious about it. They are assuming that there is problem in their YouTube channel, and some people are assuming that their YouTube channel got restricted or got hacked. If you are facing same issues, there is no need to worry. Because I was facing same issues, so I contacted YouTube with chat support and they said that there is a bug, that's why you are facing such issues. We are working to fix it, and it will be fixed soon. As it will get fixed, you will be notified. Don't worry guys, this is a bug. There is no need to worry because it happens sometime. Just like on February 20th, we were unable to see actual view count. So such things happen sometime. There is no need to panic. Now, let's wrap the video here. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.